Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For today's reading, we'll be picking cards for your daily energies, for your career situation and love energies, Pisces. So these are for your daily energies, for your career situation and love situation. We'll be picking cards from another deck, guys. So I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So let's see what is coming up, guys. And 1 card from the Oracle deck at last, guys, Pisces. So these are for your career situation, Pisces. And these cards are for your relationship. And 1 card from the Oracle guidance. So any questions that you have in your mind regarding your situation, what you need to do, maybe something in your career or something in your personal life, you can think of it. This Oracle card may answer that, guys. So I will open that card at last. You can stay tuned for that. That will answer any questions that you have in your mind regarding your situation, guys. So let's start with your daily reading first, Pisces. It's the Fortune's Wheel, the Complete World in reverse, the Empress. Pisces, with these cards, the energy is that in your circumstances today, whatever you have worked for or the efforts that you have made, you are seeing major changes, guys. Changes coming towards you. Maybe for some of you it may be good changes, positive changes. For some of you it may not be so, and these changes are destined and you see no control over them. For some of you, it may even be some unexpected events happening in your career or personal life, and you may see a positive progress in life. Something fortunate may come towards you, or it may even be something negative, but I see that overall these are predestined changes coming in your life today, guys. And in your situation today, the way things are going, you may see that something is obstructing your vision, something is coming in between you seeing that circumstance with clarity, and you don't know what you need to do, what is your next step, and maybe you are neglecting some responsibilities, and that may lead to some kind of failures in your career or personal life, guys. And you need help and you want someone to help you, and you expect someone to help you, and I also see that there is someone ready to help you, some person willing to help you. It may be your colleague, your sibling, or someone older than you in your family, and it may be a woman who is coming towards you to help you, or it may be your person trying to support you with their love and guidance, and they are very caring, nurturing, and you may have that deep bond with this person, and they are concerned about you, about your welfare, and they want to help you in whatever way they can. And this may be your person, or this may be your sister, maybe your mother or sibling. Someone is coming to help you who has that true concern on you, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies, Pisces. Let us see what are these cards we picked for your career situation, guys. Page of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Two of Swords. With these cards for your career situation, Pisces, I see that you are progressing in a positive way towards some new beginning, some partnership or some collaborations are coming towards you, and you are a very diligent worker. You know what you need to do and you do the right thing, and you are really practical and devoted in your work, devoted to your dreams. So you work with perfection, and you take care of even that minute detail. But today I see that something is coming in the way of making some important decisions. Maybe you have to compromise on certain things, but it is really difficult for you to do that because it may be a denial of truth. So you don't want to take that choice, but you are pushed towards that choice, because only if you make that choice you will reach success, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Pisces. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. We will turn these cards now. It's Five of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. So with these cards in your relationship, I see that you have happiness, contentment, and joy. You have that emotional satisfaction, and maybe you are planning to settle with this person, start a family with them, and you are celebrating some initial success in this connection. Maybe you have made that firm decision that you want to move forward in life with this person, and maybe certain stressful circumstances are there in this connection. Some misunderstandings may be there, or some past hurt would have been there, but you are with that renewed vigor and understanding. You have that clarity that you need this person for your life, and you are making those efforts to get that understanding with this person. You know this is the person you need in life, and you are really making great efforts today, guys, to win their love. That is what I see with these cards, Pisces, for your relationship. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Mending, such an apt card for your situation, guys, Pisces. This card, this oracle card, just reminds us that this is the time for us to mend and heal ourselves, guys. Heal after arguments and go for that forgiveness, make amends in our circumstance today. So if we want to move forward in life, we should not accumulate unwanted burdens, that pain and that sad memories, that resentments and arguments, whatever we are rehearsing again and again in our mind. We should overcome all that. So now is the time for us to forgive, release that pain, to make peace, to make amends to others, and set ourselves free. And in this relationship, when we are with that person, we can move forward if we opt for forgiveness, guys. Separate or together, all of us, we experience that hurt in our heart, and whatever that stress was there in this connection, it will hurt us both. So we need that energy to clear and mend that gap we have between each other. So closing your heart is not the answer. You have the power to heal yourself. So you have to ask yourself, what will love do. So if you truly love this person, you will forgive them and you will work towards that honest redress, guys. So that is what this card, this oracle guidance is about for our situation. Pisces, we need to forgive and make amends if that needs to be done, and we can move forward in life. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.